Over the last year or so, as we've been talking to our customers, enterprises, who are looking at what was the Mass 8 upgrade, now the Mass 9 upgrade, the question often comes up, what should we be trying to do? How far should we be going? They're looking for an endpoint, right? What's the endpoint? Historically, all the way up through 7.6, the endpoint was fairly static, but now it's changed dramatically. The AI being involved, more modules, monitor, health, predict, your visual inspection, you have RCM, you have FMEA, and it's like, wow, how far do we go? And it's a great question. It's an important question and should be asked. I'll say, get as far as you can. Now, what does that mean? Okay, it doesn't mean just, throw as much money as something as you can, implement stuff that's not going to help you. That's not the point. But if I say from this side of the fence, as that consulting partner to enterprises, what we have seen is that IT is very focused on ensuring that they version up in the software, but they are very short on understanding the business impact, the business need, or embracing the business input on that. And unfortunately, for the maintenance side of things, you typically don't have great representation at the C level in the organization. So no one's up there tooting your horn for you and telling the rest of the people what a great job you're doing and how you need help. And as a result, you're often left behind. So anytime you get a shot to grab as much as you can, we want to grab as much as we can, but grab it in a manner where we know we can use it and we can do something with it and we can show some return on that investment. What you really want to do in this process is you want to go through an assessment, and if you will, really it's a re-implementation, because Maximo has changed so much. Now, you don't have to call it that because it's the same product name. It's a version change, right? But the truth of the matter is that the capabilities under the hood are so radically different. Yeah, you're doing a rethink kind of from ground up. So the real thing to do is to scrounge up some money for reevaluating your processes and practices as related to the goals of the business of the enterprise. And then lay both of those next to what the Maximo application suite can do and go, okay, now what makes sense? And yeah, sometimes that means you're using your training budget and other things to get this done. I get it. But it's important. It's critical. It's critical for you. You've got to figure out how to get this done. Otherwise, you're going to get another lift and shift technical upgrade, and you're going to still be using the software that was released in 2025 the same way you were using it in 2015. And what are we going to do? Well, we're going to make a plan to implement technology that's going to amplify our capabilities. That's AI. That's the Maximo application suite. That's Mass 9. That's what it does. So, what should you be asking for? You should be asking for as much as you can get, but ask for it with a plan in place. How do you get the plan in place? Let's come in. Let's look at the processes and practices you currently have. Let's look at what your business goals and objectives are, and let's lay those over that Mass 9 and say, okay, what's the optimal path to success look like? Let's build that. From there, you'll grow. But almost everyone's in the same boat here. We're struggling with the exodus of knowledge. We're struggling to adopt a new technology, and it's not as simple as a bolt-on. You can't just slap something on the side of what you're currently doing and think it's going to work. It's not. We have to change the way we're doing things. I know it's deep water. Hopefully at some level this is bringing up some thoughts about, yeah, we're doing this and then we tried that and we added this thing on and it didn't really work. There's an opportunity to make it all work here, but it's not going to be bolt-ons. It's going to be rethinking from step one. And of course, We're going to leverage and salvage as much as we can of what we currently do, but we're going to augment it with new product where we need to, because at the end of the day, we're all here with the same goal. And the same goal is that we want less unplanned downtime. We want fewer emergencies. We want fewer out of stock scenarios. That nobody likes those. Nobody does. And nobody likes being blamed for those, especially when it's not your fault. So let's talk about it. Let's brainstorm. Give us a call, shoot us an email, sales@Banetti. Like, subscribe. This problem's not going to solve itself. Let's get together. Get ready with Banetti.